Is your Rogers remote volume control not working with your TV or soundbar? This is a common issue, but usually has a simple fix. The most frequent cause is incorrect programming of the remote to your specific TV or soundbar brand. Other causes can be low batteries or interference. First, try these quick fixes. 1. Reset the remote by holding the power and mute buttons for 10 seconds. 2. Replace the batteries with fresh ones. 3. Ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and your devices and no interference from LED lights. If these don't work, you'll likely need to reprogram the remote. To reprogram your Rogers remote for volume control, you'll need the correct programming code for your TV or soundbar brand. You can find a comprehensive list of programming codes on the Rogers website at rogers.com/support. Newer Rogers remotes, like the Ignite Voice Remote, include an auto program mode through the Ignite TV app that can automatically detect and apply the correct code. For manual programming, first press and hold the setup or cable button until the light on the remote blinks. Then enter the 4 or 5-digit code for your device. If successful, the light will blink twice. Finally, test the volume control to make sure it works. If the volume control doesn't work, try another code for your brand or switch to the auto program feature in the app. If you have a soundbar, make sure HDMI CEC is enabled on your TV for seamless volume control through the remote.